4K Google TV, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos and all your gaming features like auto low latency mode, VRR, all of these for a starting price of only around 26,999. Are you kidding me? Today we have a very interesting TV in the home, guys. This is Toshiba's all new C350 series, just launched in the Indian market 1 or 2 days ago, and we already got a unit in the house for unboxing. And main highlight of this TV is you're getting 4K Google TV experience at a starting price of only around 26,999. Not to miss out, on top of that you're also getting Dolby Vision support, Dolby Atmos is also there, and plenty of gaming related features. So we will be unboxing and checking out the performance of this TV in this video, and basically how does it perform for the price point. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started. Our brand new Toshiba C350 series TV came in this sort of packaging, plenty of details mentioned on the box, and let me tell you, this TV is available in different size variants. You get 43 inches, 50 inches, 55 and 75 inch variant is also there. Today in the house we have the 50 inch variant, and on the box you can check out all of its smart features. Basically it's a smart 4K Google TV, guys. So obviously you're getting dual band Wi-Fi support, built-in Bluetooth is there, Chromecasting, Apple HomeKit support is also included, and not to miss out, smart remote with voice control. Quickly unboxing it, at the top side we've got some accessories and stuff. These are your TV stands that are included in the package itself. Good looking stands, right? All black design. Keeping that aside, you're also getting an accessory packet which includes a user manual and your warranty information. Toshiba is offering 2 years of warranty on this model in the Indian market, and this is your TV remote, guys. Very clean and modern looking remote, right? Plenty of OTT shortcuts are there. We'll check out the TV remote at a later part in the video. Along with that, you're also getting some installation screws and stuff, mains cord for the TV, and last but not the least, you're also getting 2 AAA batteries for the remote. So that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly take out the TV from the packaging, set it up, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue this video. So boys, I'm back to continue the video, and I have been using this Toshiba's brand new C350 series TV at my place for almost like 8-9 days, and there is a lot I'll have to talk about. So basically I've divided this video into different segments, guys. First we'll be going through the design and build quality, then moving on to the picture quality, sound quality, gaming features and all of that. I'm pretty sure you people also have like lots of questions, and I'll try to answer all of them in this video, guys. So make sure to watch it till the end, and on that note, make sure to click that like button and also subscribe to our channel. So first of all, let me give you like a closer look and talk about the model and specs, and also discuss about the design and build quality. As I've told you, today in the house we have Toshiba's all new C350 NP 4K Google TV, and this is available in like different sizes. You get from 43 inches to all the way up to 75 inches. 4 different variants are there. And first of all, I have to mention, guys, TV has a very lovely looking design, guys. I mean, very class and modern looking design in this price segment. Nearly bezel-less sort of design, especially on the top 3 sides. On the bottom you have a little bit of chin, and let me tell you, the entire TV has like an all black sort of look. You get a tiny Toshiba logo on the lower left corner, TV status indicator and a power button at the center. That's it, nothing else. Coming to the stands, quality of the stands is pretty good. They're entirely made of like polycarbonate material, but have a premium brushed metallic sort of look and feel. If you ask about the build quality of the TV is solid, guys. Entire body is like a mix between polycarbonate and metal. The bezels, the stands, these are made of plastic, but the back cabinet of the TV is actually made of metal, guys. And as I've told you, good build quality. What I'll do is I'll quickly turn around the TV and give you like a closer look at all the available connectivity ports you're getting on this model. Here's how the back profile of the TV looks like. All the ports are easily accessible. They're present on the left side profile of the TV. Only the AV in and the mains cord are present on the opposite directions. So in case if you're wall mounting the TV, AV in might be difficult to access. Rest all very easy to access. If you have a look at the ports, plenty of ports are there. You're getting 2 USB Type A ports to connect some external drives, along with 3 HDMI ports. All of these 3 HDMI support 4K 60, but only HDMI 3 supports EARC. So in case if you're using some external home theater, right, Dolby Atmos soundbar or something like that, make sure to connect it only on the EARC port. Last but not the least, you're getting an RF antenna in, digital audio out, and Ethernet LAN port. So that was about the design and build quality part. Now let's quickly jump into the home screen and talk about the software, built-in apps, and also operating system. As I've told you, guys, Toshiba C350 NP is a Google TV. You're literally getting like entire Google TV UI, and has a very clean and modern UI, guys. Plenty of different sections categorized neatly. This one is your For You section, which gives you a lot of content recommendations depending on the type of content you're watching, movies, web series, or anything from different OTT platforms. Apart from that, you're also getting the movies section, TV shows section, app section is also there, from where you can easily download all your favorite OTT apps or even game games if you want to play on your TV. Anyways, going down, if you talk about the OTT apps, right, most of these apps are like pre-installed out of the box, guys. You don't need to do anything. You're getting Netflix, Disney Plus, Hotstar, Prime Video, Z5, Geo Cinema, YouTube. Everything came pre-installed, guys, and ready to use out of the box. So that's a plus point. But apart from these, if you're looking for something else, you do have like the app section, right? Google app section. From there, you can easily download and get started. Talking about the TV performance, this particular model has like 2 gigs of RAM and 16 GB of onboard storage, and overall TV performance has been like pretty good, guys, especially for like day-to-day sort of usage. I didn't face any sorts of lags navigating through the UI, opening and closing of apps, transitions. Everything felt nice and smooth. But if you already have like a couple of apps running in the background, right, then you might face a little bit of lag. But apart from that, overall experience has been great. What I'll do is I'll quickly open up some OTT platforms, maybe like YouTube, play some 4K videos for you people. Just have a look at these demos and then we'll come to the picture and sound quality. Okay, you people saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, as I've told you already, I've been using this TV on a day-to-day basis for the last couple of days, and I have watched like variety of content over here, guys. And let me tell you, picture quality is actually very good for the price that you're paying. So before I say anything about the model, right, first of all, keep in mind that this is like an affordable category model from the company. So don't expect like premium or flagship level results, guys. For that, Toshiba has like a separate premium series lineup. Anyways, if you talk about the model, let me first tell you about the specs and configuration. Today in the house, we have Toshiba C350 series lineup available in different sizes. We have the 50-inch variant, and TV has like native 4K resolution, 60 Hz refresh rate, and has like direct LED backlighting. First of all, let me tell you about the detail. You're getting 4K native resolution. There is excellent amount of detail, guys. No matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be like 4K movies, web shows, or even like YouTube content, right? Good amount of detail, sharpness, and picture quality. You'll be like very happy and satisfied. Now coming to the colors were also nice. It was actually producing like good and natural looking colors, even the skin tones as well, guys. So good thing is I didn't have to make any sort of picture adjustments. Out of the box settings were pretty nice and satisfactory. If you ask about the contrast ratio was nice and decent black levels as well. Brightness of the panel is like really good, guys. Panel can go almost up to like 350 nits of brightness, which is more than enough for your living room usage or basic day-to-day needs. It'll get your job done. And main highlight I would say is the TV also has like HDR10, HDR10 Plus, and also HLG support. Not to miss out, you're also getting Dolby Vision support in this price point. What? So especially if you're watching movies or 4K web series on Netflix or Amazon Prime Video, right, that too in Dolby Vision, you'll be like very happy and satisfied with the picture quality on this particular model. One more highlight I forgot to mention is Toshiba C350 features Rexa Engine ZR, which is responsible for picture processing and also offers like 4K AI upscaling. So even if you're watching like low resolution content, maybe like TV channels or 720p content, right, TV was actually doing a fine job with the upscaling part, keeping the artifacts and compression minimum for this price point. See, I'm telling you, right, for the price that you're paying, Paisa Vasool result you'll get over here is very satisfactory picture quality. And not just that, you're getting plenty of picture modes as well, and not to miss out, sports mode is also there and game mode is also included. We'll come there and talk about the gaming related features in a moment. But before that, first of all, let me tell you about the audio performance as well. So Toshiba C350 features stereo speakers, 2-channel speakers with up to 24 watts of output, and has like Rexa power audio, and not to miss out, Dolby Atmos support also at this price point. And audio quality was also like really good, guys. First of all, let me tell you, all the dialogues were like crisp and clear, easily audible and understandable, and output was also like pretty loud. See, to be honest, if you're a bit tight on a budget, right, you don't need to buy like an external sound bar or a 5.1 home theater system. The built-in speakers will get your job done. See, unless you're looking for like a realistic classic 5.1 or 7.1 surround sound experience and effect, right? The built-in speakers will easily satisfy your needs. Okay, I know you people have been waiting for this part, so let's also talk about the gaming related features. See, especially if you're looking for a gaming TV for your gaming console, maybe like Xbox One or PS5, right? This model might actually fulfill your needs because it's got everything under 30k. You're getting auto low latency mode, VRR support is also there, not to miss out game mode with instant game response. I've played a couple of games in the past few days like Spider-Man, God of War, Doom Eternal, and overall gaming performance was pretty decent with minimum input lag. Only limitation if I had to nitpick is it's got 60Hz refresh rate, guys. But again, for the price that you're paying, you cannot even expect more than that. If you want like 120Hz and more, right, you'll have to go for the premium lineup from the company. We're almost coming to an end, so let me talk about the TV remote as well. There you go, here's how the TV remote looks like. Definitely not the smallest, I would say, but looks quite nice, guys. Has a very modern design. Entire body is made of polycarbonate but has a nice brushed metallic sort of surface finishing. You've got a couple of OTT shortcuts over here, Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and a dedicated apps button is also there. And main highlight of this TV remote is you're also getting Google Voice Assistant integration, basically smart remote. You're getting onboard microphone. Simply click on this voice assistant button, ask your question, and you'll get all the results on the TV screen. Well, that's it. Time to wrap it up our video on Toshiba's all-new C350NP 4K Google TV. It's a great TV with all the features you might be looking for, guys. Main highlight is you're getting Dolby Vision support, Dolby Atmos, MEMC, EARC support is also there, and all the gaming related features at such an affordable price point starting at only around 26,990 rupees. If I had to nitpick, right, only thing I felt is the TV has a little bit of limited storage, guys, with only around like 5 to 6 GB of free space available in the settings. Apart from that, everything else was fine. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. Our particular 50-inch variant costs around like 32,999 rupees. Link is available in the description box. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.